What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to unbox, fresh off the plane from Germany, Daily Customs AK4. Let's get to it. Alright, here is the packaging made in Germany. Very cool. Slide that off there. There we go. Oh, yeah. Alright. There's our sticker, I guess. Oh, alright. Now, the first thing I can notice right off the bat that this is a bigger knife than the Boker. Let's get the Boker. And there you go. Yeah. That is actually really nice. I was kind of concerned because technically these are a regrind by Alex Kremer. So it's a regular drop point or whatever blade that he regrinds. But yeah, that's nice. We got back here. So you got Boker there. So yeah, I guess these are made at Boker. And then when Alex gets them, he regrinds them into the American Tanto. So very cool. The thing I was a little confused about, that it said in stock in 5 days, and after 2 weeks I'm like, let me contact him, see where this knife's at. The 5 days is actually the lead time for him, hopefully, to grind the blade down. And then it's got to go from him back to Daily Customs, and then it gets packaged up and shipped. So if it says whatever it says for a time, that's not, from the time that they're going to ship 5 days. That's just for him to grind it. So just so you know. So, yep, we got a little bit of a size difference, which is, from the Boker. This is kind of their more mass-produced blade. And yeah, didn't pay any attention to measurements or anything. So yeah, big difference. We have 3V steel on this. Oh, I love 3V steel. So definitely cool. So definitely a thickness in blade too. So overall size is definitely a difference. So like the Boker, about 2.5 mil and 3.5 mil on that. So yeah, very nice. Let's get a weight real quick just so you can see what we're talking about as far as weight goes. 230 and 369. Okay, so very cool. I'm pretty impressed. The skeletonization, pretty cool. Definitely a unique look. Feels really good in the hand. If you have big hands, this one probably won't feel quite as good. Definitely very EDC friendly. This is a good size for EDC, but this is not bad either. I mean, yes, it's a little bit bigger, which I prefer a bigger blade anyway, without getting too aggressive. So again, skeletonization lightens it up a little bit, which is always good. It does say 3V, okay. So yeah, I like it. The only thing is that the only sheath you can get is the standard pocket sheath for this. They don't have any Kydex sheaths or anything for this size knife, because obviously you can tell there's a pretty big difference between the two knives, blade length and width and height and everything else. So anything that will work for this one is definitely not going to work for this one. Now, of course, this is the AK1, so I don't know if there's a big difference between all the AK1s or not, but so yeah, there's really not many options. Not big deal. I will, if I ever get any time, make my own knife sheath out of leather. I do leather working, so I can make my own, so it's not a big deal. It's just a matter of finding time. But yeah, feels really good. If you've got big hands, this is not a bad knife. This feels good. I wouldn't mind a little jimping up here. That would be nice. But yeah, that feels good. Like the looks of the G10, the OD green G10. That's what I chose. There's a lot of different options as far as handles go on all of the daily knives. But man, yeah, that feels good, guys. If you, like I said, you have to order it. I'm in the US, so obviously, yeah, it takes a little bit, but between the lead time for him to grind it and to get to you, but man, that feels good. You're looking at, I think it was like $200 or so, something like that. There's obviously a difference because you're paying for it in German money, and so it was like $200 or $300. I don't even remember now, but very impressed. Very nice. Very nice grind. So, okay, there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this video of the AK4. We'll catch you next time. Have a great day.